people, this is not a joke. Make una come hear matter. Yul Edochie Okpara, Leo Edochie, my people, una come hear matter. A scatter. I can tell you for free, this one scatter. When we think say we don't see everything, no be joke oh, make una come hear matter. Leo Edochie, go a garden now, why baby, and Yul Edochie their place. Make una listen, my people, please. I beg of you, lend me your ears. Leo Edochie, con rake. Con tell a garden now, why baby say, within 24 hours, make she don't pack, make she use her hand, make una dey listen una beg, make she use her hand, pack all her things, her ngongo na ngongo, even the pikin dem. My people, this is the Okpara oh. Make una listen, where they follow you all, they support everything. He openly tell Agadina why baby say, on behalf of his family and everybody, him as the Okpara, they command, don't be saying they beg him, in the tell and say, make she pack all her things. Say, she and her family, the Mogalo, then go later hear from them. But for now, make she pack, make she come out. Make una listen, my people. Agadina why baby, as Leo come, they very serious. E no laugh, e no smile. His brother Yul Edochie, they for one corner, they do and signs of Bodabiko, no speak like that. Please, Leo no look at his brother. He come one time fire Agadina why baby, my people. Agadina why baby now. She now stood up. Make una listen. She let Leo Edochie. Anyway, I want to greet each and every one of us first of all. Welcome back to my channel. Now hot Congo Sajis be this. We don't come back again, my people. Matter they scatter everywhere they hot, but please, no lose guard. Continue to pray for our Queen. Nothing will lose guard us. Please, my people, join Queen picking them inside your prayers. And then again, please, like, share, subscribe, drop your comment. Like I always say, your point of view, your comments are all valid in this my channel. Please drop it down there. And as you do so, may God in heaven abundantly bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much. One more time, na hot Kongosa Jisbi. This my people, Kasala Bosti. Tori Wowo. Leo confronted that Gardina why baby tell and say, lie. Say if nobody they tell him what he was supposed to do, him don't stand. Say now because of this cover, they don't lose so many things. Say even the things where they even express it and go lose, they don't lose them. So now he no want again. He has been supporting him brother based on him papa request, but now he is speaking on behalf of all his brothers and even the papa when they beg and sins. Now so Agadi now why baby can't stand up. Make una listen. Tell Leo Edochie say, if Leo Edochie no say then born and well. See Agadi now why baby with morale, with heavy morale. Tell Leo say, make Leo collect any of her clothes. In call the shout say, make Leo collect any of her clothes. Put them outside, making using hand. Then the Edochies go cry till their eternals on earth wouldn't they? Now so Agadi now when baby tell you she can't enter room. My people, at this point, Leo Edochie can't confused. As he can't confused, he call our Queen May. Oh now listen my people, that's why I say what that's scatter. He tell our Queen May say for outside the shout say please make our Queen May give her 1 minute. First of all, he won't beg Queen May for every time when he don't put in eye somewhere else. He won't beg our Queen say please make our Queen forgive her. Say him for his entire life he never support anything when they happen for Yul Edochie side, but that because of say family comes first. That is why when he look, he say make he support you all. But make we make guess where in there now. We may no answer. I mean say, I there for your husband house. Imagine the Edochie right here. I dey pursue the woman where they with your husband. That's all you they talk. But she they prove stubborn. That is why I say make I call you. I need your help. I need your idea. how we fit come along two of us we pursue am, because she don cause so much harm than good, no be only for one side, for every of us. None of us wey we dey smile. This is Leo Edochie talking to our men, telling her wetin wey dey do right now, the place wey dey, and how we need our Kweme help. My people, na listen abeg. Leo Edochie come tell our Kweme say, if our Kweme fit imagine wetin wey Agadi na wine baby do the last one. Kweme say she no wan know anything. Say she won't pick phone because her mind plan say, okay, fine, make she pick, but she no wan know anything. Make Leo Edochie please, make him forget about this saying one. He say no. He wan tell our Kweme say Agadi na wine baby get the moral and mind to wan transfer money from his account to their own account, because last month he borrow Yul Edochie money, but as he borrow am, he con just because of his brother can't give an pin. He no know say Yul Edochie go drop everything, the place where the woman there. What they want go know, Judy Austin was attempting na so Leo tell am to withdraw money from his account. He can't get a bank alert where they come alert and say person won't collect money from your account. If na you confirm it, he can't shout. He can't rush go the bank one time. Now so in the tell Kweme say if Kweme fit imagine all the things where Agadi na baby don't do for them, because they know they talk. At the end, they beg Kweme, say Kweme please forgive them. Especially him, because what? Because they don't close their mouth all this while. Because they want to hide and also defend their brother. Make their brother shame, not come outside. But this time around, they are equal to the task. Say anyhow where Agadi now why maybe one time now so they go give am, but then in the beg say make Kweme please help am out, because he don't think. He know say our Kweme now woman of wisdom, now woman where she know how to handle stuffs like this, and she handles them in a very very much special way. That is why when he think, he say he go summon courage, call our queen, make our queen may help him out. Say please, as in there now, in the gone for Yul Edochie, please. My people, before Leo Edochie they talk for phone, hey, now so Agadi now why baby come outside for room, come shout on Yul himself, his name. Say make Yul tell him brother, say make him brother find the same place where he from come, make him find him way back. Say she now no one creates any scenario for yard, because she no want anything where go disturb her pikin them. So make Yul go outside, go let him brother know say she no there to tolerate any nonsense. Say if you neither be the okpara my foot. Now so do the us in the shout, but in a way say Leo fit here, she no send again. My people, I don't see what you would talk when you dine with the wrong person, let us call it like that. At the end, anything what you see, take. Because when all these things they happen, Leo Edochie for their mind, we say they go benefit. I can tell you for free. It is one of the greatest reasons why Leo follow him brother. Leo take this so personal, thinking that now our queen in they do. Now, the thing they hit them for the thing they do them personally, because Queen May don't finally waka. Even the person where they want take drag anything, she don't finally leave them. So now they don't say they are on their own. And Judy Austin, nobody will fit come out them unless, as she talk, say she put her leg can't wait for ground. My people, Leo come tell our Queen May say Judy Austin have to go. Say make Queen May please help him out. Judy Austin have to go. Say they don't want any Judy Austin for their family. No biko. Say the time when Judy Austin know they, nobody know them. Nobody they talk about them. They were just living their normal, beautiful life. Judy Austin come and everybody they talk not be good for them. Say why should they be permitting that? Now so they tell our Queen May. Say why they go permit that? Say please make Queen May help her with idea, because he knows that two heads are better than one. And as our Queen May knows Yul Edochie very well, she fit know what thing where they go do right now, where go make Yul Edochie himself support them automatically. As Leo come to tell even our Queen May say As I dey here, they talk say make Judy Austin waka. Can you imagine say your husband, he still dey beg me say make I no shout, make I take things calmly. I no understand. Way is this now na the time when they want pursue a garden now, my baby? Now when they insist to pursue a garden now, baby, all this while. Now when they don't just press regret button, all this while when people they shout say this thing wanna go do, wanna go surely see where they wanna they find. Is it now? Now be their morning. Why now, Leo? People they ask this question, say why now? All this while. Or I don't see the handwriting written boldly on the wall. Why didn't you people take the necessary precautions? As Leo come dey beg we may say, please make we may. Not the thing say him go to the Austin their village because he wanted to spoil his home. Now because of your edochie, he just wanted to please a brother. He no be no say Judy Austin come with other kind of intentions. He not do am for any way at all. Now so Leo dey tell Kwame, he not do am for any way at all for make Kwame marry scatter. He was just trying to please their last born because he knows say y'all it gets so much likes, wants, and him be a little spoiled pikin. Say their papa spoil y'all well. Anything where y'all want, now their papa go give him. So when y'all come carry the idea, say he won't go to the Austin place, he say, okay, fine. You know that one go make you happy, I go follow you. That's only you they tell our queen. Say never for one time where he follow y'all to go to the Austin their place to make we may marry scatter. It was never his intention. But later, he now realized that the intention wey Judy Austin carry no be better one because as now she come inside house, now she supposed to be humble, but it is far away from that. Rather, she dey scatter everywhere and she won't do what they never even do in their family. My people, matter scatter, tori wo, area no clear. This same Leo Edochie, una know am very well. Una know what Leo Edochie has been doing. No be say we won't talk am. Leo Edochie has not been a nice brother-in-law. The same way our queen made day. He never for one time come outside support our queen. All of a sudden, him they call our queen, say, make our queen help out. Make them see how they go pursue her in our baby. He they call our queen, say, now him don't start to the open eye. Say, Judy Austin herself wanted to collect the money and many things more way Judy Austin don't they do. He said, no, they no go there here. One only woman, they torment their full family. In can tell our queen, say, in the your edochie compound. Say now, he they look how he go pursue Judy Austin. But they be like, say, no way to way. Say, please, he need our queen support. Please, spare us the sermon, Leo Edochie. I can tell you, my people, I don't know for now, but please, make Leo spare us the sermon. If he want really pursue our garden, our baby, make him do one. But you see one thing, Queen tell and say, he no want to talk about this matter. Say, just has to tell and say, make I just pick the call. But if she knows say now this kind of issue where Leo they bring up, you know, for even pick call. As Leo was still insisting, say please make we understand. And we tell and say there is nothing to understand. I don't take everything like that. I have my own idea, my own point of view, and I have taken my own decision based on this matter. And so Queen tell her, but Leo been they still insist. Like if he won't convince Queen to convince her to feel say he was never in support of Judy Austin. Are you guys getting it? How can Leo now come on convince our queen say he was never in support of Judy Austin? We know everything will happen. Queen may not be small picking. Queen may self don't see everything. She know everything that happened. Now they come up with this kind. We don't even care. Queen may, I like how we tell and say she no care. Make them do what they want, but make them leave him alone. And when you come to look at it well, it is true. If Leo Edochie really want to pursue Judy Austin, must he call Queen May? It gets so many ways where if he take pursue him. My question be say, has Judy Austin come to be more stronger than the whole Edochies? Where even a whole strong man like Leo, no fit stand his ground, gidiba, collect people and agile ones if really he wants to pursue and pursue him. He say y'all they beg him, say, please make him cool down. Still at that. We don't understand their plan, no. Me, at this time around, I still don't understand their plan. Because I got it now, my baby. Even though I tell you, say, oh, I go cry if I pursue me. That will not be said, or not be pursue, and she not be God. If you really want pursue her, you can pursue her, even without calling our Queen May, even without calling her. But then again, we don't know why you dey call am. But even consign, why you dey call our Queen May? My people, Leo, they shout, say he needs to pursue Judy Austin. She don't do harm than good for their family. Now where you know. Now where your money reach. Now where money reach your side. My people, I don't know about you, but me, I know they see this matter well. I go draw my curtain here, go rest my case here. Queen May don't tell you, not put me inside this. I don't stand my own ground. And which is true. She don't stand her own ground. My people, please, kindly draw your point of view down in the comment section. Drop it down. I want to draw my curtain here. I want to rest my case here. This Leo edochie matter, if you really want to pursue this woman, do it. If you don't want, leave our Queen May down. Leave her so free. The place where she dey enjoy her life jejely, without any stress. Anyway, my people, thank you so much. And I hope this video. I'll be back in a jiffy. Thank you.